guys, we are here ready to harvest these Chinese cabbage. Look how beautiful they are. I am so excited. Look at the rosé. So let's see. We're just going to take the whole thing out of here. Take it out of here. Look at that. Then I'll show you an up-close look at what it looks like. Oh, there was two of them in here. That's one. I might replant this one. But look at this one. Let me get some of that dirt and stuff out there. We'll move this one over to the side. I'm definitely gonna replant that one. I don't have my snippers, but it is gonna be. Let me show you up close. Let me make it look pretty for you. Take all these dead leaves off of here, put them down there, and look how beautiful that is. Can you see how gorgeous that is? Wow, this is my first ever growing one of these cabbage. Look how white it is at the bottom. Gorgeous. Look at that. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever grown these and what's the best way to eat these. Should I saute them or stir fry them? How should I cook these? So we're going to get a couple of these. Stick it in my basket. Let's go for this one. This one I can probably just pull it out of here. I'm going to get two of them today. And I'm going to try to cook these up. These are two together. I must have planted these really close together. And look, they still have the little, remember those pellets that I had? I put the seeds in. It's still in the pellet. So that lets you know these things are amazing. So this is a good one too. Look at that. I mean, it has some, you know, blemish on it, but shoot, we'll just pull that off. But look how beautiful it is, you guys. Gorgeous. I love it. So I think I'm going to take these two, stir fry these up. And then I'm going to replant this one back in the pot because it looks like it has some more time to grow. And it's growing for me. So now it has some more room. We're going to put it back in there. Isn't that pretty? That is so cute to me. So excited about it. We're just going to compost in place. Put those back into the soil so we can help feed the soil. Stick it down in there. But this one we'll save for later. And this one is, it's not, I don't think it's a Chinese cabbage. It's a winter choy. Oh, see? Good thing I put my labels in here using that garden marker. If you guys haven't purchased that garden marker, don't slip on that either, because that is an awesome tool to have in your garden. So I'm going to stick this back in here so I'll know that it's a winter choy. And when I get in the house, I'm going to find the package, and we're going to see how close we were able to get to this winter choy picture. I think we got pretty close. So just take a time and just admire the beauty of that winter choy cabbage. And look at the ones we got in the bucket. See, in my harvest bucket. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, let me take you over so we can see the other one. Guys, check out the harvest. I'm so excited about this harvest. Look at this. I got one hand free and I got my glove on the other one. So let me get the other one because I want to do a up-close personal look at this winter choy. All right, let me see if I can get it out of here. And let you guys take another beautiful look. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Oh, so excited. My first winter choy. See? Take a good look at it. I want you guys to experience it right along with me. Isn't that gorgeous? Look how beautiful it grows. You can tell I've never grown this before because I'm so excited, and it smells heavenly. This is going to be some good eating. I'll put some smoke. I think I'll do some turkey kielbasa with it and saute it with some garlic and some bell peppers and some onions. This would be heavenly. Take a look at this one, and then I have this one. Get some of that dirt out of it. And look at this one. So I've got two. See if I can get them up right, so you guys can see and enjoy it right along with me. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. And it smells so good, you guys. Look. Give you a close-up on that one. Close-up on this one. And a close-up of me. Aww, so excited, you guys. All right, if you have never grown these, I'm telling you, do not slip on growing it. Because look at the center. See the center of this one? How it's all like a flower. And then look at this one. This one was starting to uncurl. See right here? This one was still trying to open up. Can you guys see that really good? This camera would focus. See what I'm talking about? How this one is still kind of tightly closed, and this one is all the way open. See the difference? That one, and then how this one is. But child, don't even worry about it, because Miss Renee is going to eat all this. This is going to be my dinner tonight. So I just want to show you guys that. And I got them in my beautiful harvesting bucket. So excited. So will I be growing this next year? Of course, without a doubt. If I can convince my husband to eat this, then I will be growing a lot more of it. But we shall see. Wish me luck on getting him to eat this, because he likes cabbage. So, and I put a little bit of that kielbasa, Cajun it up some. I think he'll love it just as much as I know I'm gonna love it. All right, guys. With that being said, Miss Renee is so elated. I'm so excited that I have my winter choy. Woohoo! And I grew it from seed. All right, you guys. I'm hoping you enjoyed this content. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to let you know when I have another video coming your way. And leave me a comment down below, because you guys know I love reading your comments and stuff about what I'm doing out here in my garden. So I'm so excited. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you join my family so I can love you up and give you much hugs and love. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and I will check you guys out in the next video. Time for me to get to cooking. Should I do a cooking video so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing? Let me know, because you know I'm gonna throw down on this for sure, for sure. Last glimpse of my winter choy. Take a good look, you guys. All right, have a wonderful day. Inside my house, and I'm cleaning up that winter choy, and they were saying you have to pull them apart because there is like dirt all through the inside of this, and it sure was. I was pulling them off, and dirt is definitely in between the stalks. But look how cute this looks. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my gosh, it's so funny. But the thing I wanted to show you guys was, look at these. When you pull them apart, they look like little trees. So look at this one. You cannot tell me that this does not look like a tree. Let me put it in my hand, and you guys can see the trunk, and then the parts of the tree, and then the greenery at the top. Isn't that adorable? And look at all the ones that I have like peeled and just laid here on my counter. Look, it looks just like a tree. Move this out of the way. Looks just like a tree. And they are so cute. The details of the white trunk of the tree and then the branches of the tree. And then look how curly they look. And then on the back, same thing. It even looks better. Look, I am so impressed by this winter choy. And you guys are probably saying, Renee, but look, it is so cute. And as you do the inside, as you get to the middle of the winter choy, this is what it looks like. It's like a miniature little tree. Look how curly it is on the top. It is so cute. You know, I would grow these things just for the cuteness factor alone, because they're just so adorable. Let me know if you guys have looked at this winter choy when you guys were cleaning it and discovered it just like I did. It looks just like a tree with a little curly pattern, like the leaves have been all curled up. So stinking cute, you guys. All right, I just had to bring that to you. I was over here cleaning up this winter choy because I got it, like I said, I'm in here in my sink, which is right here, and I've got them all, getting it all cleaned up, all in this water, trying to get them right and make sure that there's no creepy crawlers, because I soaked it in some salt to see if I could pull out any kind of critter that was living in there. But this is gonna be the hit. I haven't cooked it up and I haven't tried it yet, but so far so good. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this little bit of what I discovered while I brought it in the house, started cutting them apart and cleaning. And what I did is I just cut the bottom off and then they just fell apart, and that makes cleaning and stuff a whole lot easier. But just make sure you individually wash them, because they do have a lot of dirt, as you can see in this one, and I'm sure it has more. Alright you guys, love this winter choy.